Hello there, I'm Alexander from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of my favourite long-haired wigs. So we've all got our hero wigs out there that we absolutely love wearing, that we've worn for years and years and years and years and years. And you know, if you are a long wig wearer and you are kind of looking at changing a couple of things up a little bit, I thought I would share with you some of my favourites. I've prepared a few pieces I've got here. I've got a head here as well to show you. And I'm going to take Jaden out of the box. And there she is, look, ladies and gents. Jaden in Spring Honey R. Now this is fresh from the box. So, you know, some ladies love to wear the curls like this. Some ladies like to brush them out a little bit. But there she is, fresh from the box. Jaden in Spring Honey R. I think she just looks fantastic. Lacey. Here she is, look. Lacey in Pralines and Cream. You know, you can see that's a really edible colour. Now, Pralines and Cream is not a rooted colour, so it gives you that fresh from the salon, that fresh highlighted look. Lacey has these lovely little bangs in here, which look fantastic. And she's around about this length with some layers. And if I turn Lacey inside out, Lacey is machine made with what you call a skin part. Okay, so that area just looks like skin, just in there. So the machine made like that with that super realistic parting. Beautiful length coming down there. Very, very natural. And I think Pralines and Cream is definitely one of my favourite colours within the Orchid collection. It is just stunning. Just really, really beautiful. Very, very natural. Beautifully woven colour. And I love the bangs on Lacey as well. I think she's really is a fantastic piece and definitely one to watch. So this one is Shilo, and this is in sandalwood highlights. You can see Shilo's just got a little bit more movement in there. And look at that colour. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is like, these are the colours. I mean, I've been a salon owner for many, many, many years before moving to the US. And I mean, that colour, you know, I wouldn't say what we'd charge that for in the salon, but that'd be a lot of money to get that. And not everyone's hair can successfully get, I mean, that blend is just absolutely out of this world. You can see all this lovely length, natural kind of movement, very, very natural movement. And I don't know what you'd call these, like whether you'd say these were like long bangs or it's shape around the front. Probably safe to say these are, you know, long past the cheekbone bangs, like a long fringe if you like. But that just looks fantastic. So now we're going to have a little look at Avery. So you see all that amazing curl we've got. And this, ladies and gents, this is fresh from the box. So all these styles are ready to wear, literally ready to wear in this style. You can see Avery's got the lovely soft bangs. You see this is a rooted colour, but very subtly, a very subtle regrowth, and all those different tones in there. So that's the Honey Wheat R. Just take a little look at the cap construction. Now, Avery is all machine made. So if you do like machine made wigs, and that bit of permatease up top, which can give you that little bit of freshly blown out body, Avery's definitely one for you. Now let's just put her on the head. I know a lot of ladies that buy this wig and, you know, they'll comb it fully through and they'll make it more wavy, but I'm showing you just as it comes out the box. So that's Honey Wheat R, so there's our gorgeous root. And Avery has these beautiful soft long bangs, which are, which are really stunning. I know as a stylist how long that would take to tong or to do it as a blowout or whatnot. So, you know, if you are a wig wearer or you want to be a wig wearer and you just want your hair done and styled and your hair normally drops when you go out, as a lot of ladies do, you know, stick an Avery on. Your curls will stay in all night. I'm going to show you Brandi now. These are double monofilament caps. The cap feels fully light. It's 100% hand tied, and it looks awesome. It really does look awesome. So that here, that's a mono top. Okay, so a mono top means that you can change the parting. So if you got your parting on the left, you want your parting on the right, you know, you can move that around, you can change it, you can tweak it. And this colour is espresso, so natural. And I mean, a big thing for me when I've been, you know, doing medical wigs for clients in the past is some clients just want the hair exactly as it was. You know, oh, I'm going to lose my hair. I like my hair just as it was. And if you've always had those lovely, long, dark, kind of shiny, vibrant colours, then espresso is definitely one for you. You know, it really does look lovely. And I'll just sometimes just move the hair around. Can you see how much that's swinging? So much going for it. I'm now coming to my last piece. This piece right here is called Angela. And Angela is named after my mum. Here's Angela. So I designed Angela with having quite a bit of movement through the piece. You see all the colours coming through. So there's movement, there's a bounce. I wouldn't say it was a wavy piece, but I wouldn't say it was a straight piece. She's somewhere in between. All that lovely shape, just looks beautiful. I designed Angela in mind with a lot of you Angelica fans out there, big Angelica fans. She's similar to Angelica. She's got a mono top, so we can move the parting around. And she has very soft bangs that can be brushed into the wig or made a bit fuller, and that lovely movement and wave, and she looks stunning. And there we have it, ladies and gents. That was my wig review on my favourite long-haired styles at the moment. If you've enjoyed what you've seen today, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us, direct message us, you know, follow us on all forms of social media, and just keep in contact. If there's anything you want to see, any styling, any tips, any tricks, you know we're always here for you. So from me, Alexander Turnbull at René of Paris and Aderans, I'm the senior stylist and beauty expert here, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.